Magandang gabi mga kabayan!
Magandang gabi sa mga taga-Calapeños! Sa mga taga-Janis, lalo na. Okay.
Sa wakas, nakarating na po ako dito sa ating lugar. Miss na miss ko na po itong lugar namin, lalo na yung bundok dyan.
Kakanta pala kami ngayon. Ano pang gagawin namin dito sa harapan nyo? Siyempre kakanta. Ano ang katayin natin? Go!
Kangatin po namin yung walang asawang ending my eyes of you po.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. Part of the way that I stare, there's nothing else to compare.
The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak.
But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I love you, baby, and it's quite alright. I need you, baby, to warm my lonely night. I love you, baby.
Trust in me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't bring me down and pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
As long as that's right, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Wala ka! Miss na miss ko na kayo! Mga kabayan! Hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit ako makakabalik dito. Bago po, susunod na kanta namin, gusto ko po sanang ipakilala sa inyo yung napakagandang babae po.
Hindi ako?
Ay, hindi mo si Isa, hindi. Meron po lalabas na isa.
Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka ganyan?
Hindi, gusto ko po, alam mo maganda na si Isa. Gusto ko pong, alam ko po nakilala nyo rin po siya. Siya ay si Madam, si Ma'am, Joanna Valencia. Palakpakan po natin siya. Palakpakan po. Palakpak naman! Asan si Ma'am?
Ako talaga nakapagaling group ko.
Masasabi nyo?
Henry, ba't ka naman eh?
For a while lang.
Hindi.
Oh.
Kanta lang